Chapter 2 Communities. Lesson 5 Community Helpers.
Key words: put out, ladder, hose, uniform, protect, visit.
Community Helpers. People often need help. That is why each community has helpers. They do many important jobs in their communities. Firefighters work hard to put out fires. They use ladders and hoses. They also drive big fire trucks. Firefighter uniforms are very heavy. They protect firefighters from fire. Thanks to street cleaners, the community stays very clean. Street cleaners pick up trash and dead leaves on the street. They keep working in rain, snow, and wind. Social workers help many different people. For example, elderly people sometimes live alone. That can be dangerous, so social workers visit them. They also help people find jobs. Can you imagine your community without any helpers? It would be really different.
Lesson 6 African Animal Communities. Key words: wild, watch, drought, tusk, trunk, scream. African Animal Communities. Did you know that different African animals make communities? They help each other stay safe in the wild. Ostriches have strong eyes, but they have bad ears and noses. Zebras can't see well, but their ears and noses are strong. So, ostriches and zebras live together. The ostriches watch for danger, and the zebras smell and listen for it. That way, they both stay safe. During droughts, olive baboons can't find water, but African elephants can dig water holes. They use their tusks, trunks, and feet. By doing this, the elephants help the baboons get water. The baboons help the elephants too. They scream loudly if the elephants are in danger. These animals live together happily. What other animals help each other?
Lesson 7 The History of Transportation.
Key words: apart, transportation, invent, pedal, railroad, wheel.
The History of Transportation. Communities in the past were often far apart. Also, transportation was very slow. So, people made new types of transportation. In the 1700s, the steamboat was invented. Unlike other boats, it moved by steam, not paddles. People could travel faster than before. Next, British people invented trains in the early 1800s. Then, they opened the first public railroad. With trains, people could easily move things on land. Soon, many communities grew along railroads. Later, Carl Benz made the first car in 1885. It only had 3 wheels. People could drive themselves anywhere. They could also live outside cities and drive to work. In 1903, the Wright brothers created the first airplane. These days, millions of people travel by airplane every day. Lesson 8. The Backpack Program.
Key words: backpack, dizzy, stomach ache, school nurse, week, volunteer.
The Backpack Program. Have you heard of the Backpack Program? I love it because it made my life better. When I was in elementary school, I lived in Arkansas. Many students at my school often felt dizzy and had stomach aches. I was one of them. Our school nurse realized we weren't really sick. We were just very hungry. So, she called a food bank. It started the Backpack Program in 1994 to help us. Each week, community volunteers made food backpacks at the food bank. Then, they gave them to me and other hungry kids every Friday. On weekends, I wasn't hungry anymore. Now, I'm a Backpack Program volunteer. Every week, 110 food banks give out 35,000 food backpacks in the U.S. That makes me so happy.